is how we do it.
Shouldn't be defined, love is one of a kind. What we do is crazy, baby. All the ways you make me feel when you do me like that, when you do me like that. Just understand what nobody else can.
You know how to put it down, how to pick me up, and you never cause me stress. Every day's a rush. You always cracking jokes, it always make me blush. I could stand the world if it was just us.
Every day you love me so, never let you go. When I say it's on, you'll never tell me no. That's love, baby.
That's love,
oh,
baby.
That's us, baby.
That's us, baby.
Explaining all this love we make.
They think that we're crazy, but it's us. But it's us. But it's us. 'Cause this is how we do us, baby, baby. This is how we do us, baby, baby. Don't you hate it when they get to asking all them questions about the way we rockin'? Like, we gotta have a separate title or some. Gotta be on TV like an idols or some. 'Cause, baby boy, this ain't no way that I could ever begin to explain the way we love, the way we trust, the bond we have is just for us, just for us. Tailor-made, yeah, we soulmates. Knew it ever since our very first day, yeah. You the truth, I need the whole thing, but I won't risk putting this love at stake. For a simple explanation to a simple motherfucker who really don't know us, who really don't wanna. I mean it when I say it that I only wanna love ya. The other shit is extra, baby, far above it now. I know sometimes I do a little much. I know sometimes you got a little problems with your trust, but that's love, baby. That's love, baby. That's us, baby.
Side. You're always here down the road. You're always here, and that's why I fuck with you.
Said he fucking with me 'cause I'm loyal. He know every single lyric. He had every single show, and baby, that's why I'm in love with you. This is how we do it.
This is how we do it, baby.
It's Friday night. With a barbecue blazing on a Saturday, yeah. House party jumping so loud, Cristal always sipping when he sleep, and he say, "Can I kick it? Yes you can. Can I kick it? Yes you can I kick it? Yes we can." Jukebox on a black top, nice out West Coast love. After school hooking up in your drop top, West Coast love. Shooting fireworks in the sky. Oh, how the time goes by. Boy, how you never left my mind. That's that West Coast love. West Coast love, never left my mind. West Coast love, never left my mind. Can we take it back to the bay when we bounced to the sound of my favorite band playing? Pull up to the park one day, watch you shoot, it was cute, so I slay and I say, "Can I kick it? Let me know, can I kick it? Boy, you gotta let me know. Take the PCH home, put some X and O's, pour the juice, we gon' set the tone. Let's get it on now. Jukebox on the black top, nice that West Coast love. After school hooking up in your drop top, West Coast love. Shooting fireworks in the sky.
why I love the moon, 'cause it's always there for me. Every night about my window, and that's why I love the moon, 'cause it's always there for me. Every single night I look outside, it's right there for me in my mind, and that's why I love the moon, yeah. Because people can consume my love in the wrong way, so I send it up at night, at night, at night. Real love so hard to find, just when you think you found it, the illusions in your eyes, it blinds. So be careful where you look for love. Just be careful where you look for love. Real love so hard to find, just when you think you found it, the illusions in your eyes, it blinds us all. So be careful where you look for love. Just be careful where you look for love.
Yo, that's why I let the moon shine, 'cause all the time I make confused on how to move. Stuck in between what wasn't and what could be the truth. High, still up trying to escape these demons in my room. You see, it's no change, dropping, we learn to maintain. Yo, and how could anybody else for pain when they brainwash us and watch us every time we make exchanges of slaves? Locked in a box and use our minds just to escape all the same shit. I'm tired of the pain, love is blind to the flame. That's why I look up, never hide behind the skies in the rain. Promises cooked up, exercise and don't deny you the pain. That's why I look for ways to find whatever lies in the rain. 'Cause shit changed. I don't blame my father for lamping, I believe that help. If I'm trying to grow as just still trying to grow as myself. So understand it when I'm standing, taking chances, know I need that. Full fell on my back, just relax and keep your seat back. 'Cause when you think, that's when you let time run and escape with your mind, loving, that's what you think. So what you think? If love was easy to find, we wouldn't need it to complete our lives. So
Peace to the moon, peace to the stars, peace to Saturn, and peace to Mars.
Call me Dogg, A-double-R-E. N be the N, last letter be the G. G be for gripping, smithing, like wrestling. Niggas that be fessin', I'm crushing your whole chest. Can't come back, if they fat, I'll skinny them 6 times. The terror past the error to millennium. G, fuck, rolling in your trunk, call me bougie, nigga. LBC, nigga.
Straight from Long Beach, where we get more naughty on the comedy. Can you say round off handsprings with your triple somersault fools will be flipped on show? Long Beach, right by the water. Respect the dude when you walk through the borderline. If you don't, you might find your face in a gutter Long Beach and get your way.
The homie just whistled, gave us the signal. Back the fool with the pistols, pierce the whistle. On where you at, homie? In the cut, he cock, beat for weeks, heat for blocks. Techniques to rock the block, side orthodox. Cannon cock and bandit, nigga. I deli rock the planet, nigga. Scope out the vicinity, start separate. Those that's cool and those hating. Every nigga in between. Got 5 seconds to evacuate the scene. Yeah, hit the stash, nigga. Nigga, what the fuck you wanna do? Talk blast, nigga, think fast. Fast,
Nigga with a
fast.
little gangsta love.
Gangsta love.
Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Gangsta love.
Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Gangsta love.
Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Let's go to war. No, not with guns, blast you with heat. Original beats, they run fast and faster. Master like P, or you could just say Master Warren G, I'm bout it. Heidi touted, and I doubt it. If I let another nigga take my tracks and reroute it, I truck more style. Like my Yukon, I puke on the rest of these niggas trying to contest.
Hold up, speaking of contest, no, none of that. We get gas, speech technique, rat-a-tat-tat. Flat, naked, flat, pure, satisfact. X marks the spot of the brutal vernacular. You drink down like Dracula. Listen here, buddy, you'll be found left bloody. It's the beach nigga straight up. Before you hate up, get your weight up, won't get wet up. Now what up?
Yeah, OG. My nigga Warren G. That's my OG. G. my nigga Nate Dogg, my nigga Snoopy, my nigga RBX, them my OGs, my real OGs. You up against the aces, nigga. It all takes place in many places, nigga. Several different faces, nigga. The streets can watch me, nigga, but the streets is up against corrupt Muammar Gaddafi, nigga. OG, Juggernaut, jagged edge, homie, 2 to the head as the sprinkle spread. Defecation, yeah. Fuck around with the militia, stalking to the big homie Nate walked in.
Same old niggas in the same old place. Long Beach City is where I was raised. I keep my heater right by my side. Won't stop dashing till I get my prize. Even if you're blind, we can make you see the perfect combination, egg and war and G. When we bust, we hit them every time. Ain't no secret, it's about that time to hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Gangsta love.
Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Gangsta love.
Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Gangsta love.
Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
I'm your doctor, my got. Baby, I got your back. Let me sing it to you. Mama, my got. Baby, I got your back. 그런 내가 바로 doctor, my got. Baby, I got your back. Just follow my lead. Just follow my lead. Just follow my lead. My lead, my lead, my lead. You know you're like magic, girl. Just like that, you changed my world. Nothing else has been this good. I wanna know you more. I wish I could. 네가 만든 집 속에 들어가서 직접 내 두 눈으로 보고 싶어. 네가 가진 감정과 네가 사는 삶 속의 얘기들을 듣고 싶어. I wanna spend my life with you. Clearly I'm so into you. Said enough, it's time to prove. And I know what it takes to do. The world is made for me and you. I'm the doctor, my got. Baby, I got your back. Let me show it to you. Mama, my got. Baby, I got your back. 그런 내가 바로 doctor, my got. Baby, I got your back. Just follow my lead. Just follow my lead. Just follow my lead. My lead, my lead, my lead. To the left, to the right. That I want, baby, I'll do the right thing. To the left, to the right. That I want, baby, I'll do the right thing. To the left, to the right. That I want, baby, I'll do the right thing. To the left, to the right. To the left, to the right. 다시 또 태어난다면 오랜 시간이 걸려도 다시 널 만나고 싶어. 처음부터 다시 시작하겠지만 네가 만든 집 속에 들어가서 직접 내 두 눈으로 보고 싶어. 네가 가진 감정과 네가 사는 삶 속의 얘기들을 듣고 싶어. Oh, baby, I wanna spend my life with you. Oh, baby, clearly I'm so into you. Oh, 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 baby. Said enough, it's time to prove. And I know what it takes to do. The world is made for me and you. I'm the doctor, I got. Baby, I got your back. Let me show it to you. Mama, I got. Baby, I got your back.
Cause we're gonna listen. This is DJ Easy with a special slaps you across your fat ass with a fat dick.
When I met you last night, baby, before you opened up your gap, I had a respect for your lady, but now I take it all back. Cause you gave me all your pussy, and you even licked my balls. Leave your number on the cabinet, and I promise, baby, I'll give you a call. Next time I'm feeling kinda horny, you can come on over and I'll break you off. And if you can't fuck that day, baby, just lay back and open your mouth. Cause I have never met a girl that I love in the whole wide world. Well, if corrupt gave a fuck about a bitch, I'd always be I never have no motherfucking endo to smoke. I get smoked and loony. Bitch, you can't do me. Do we look like BBD? You hoochie groupie. I have no love for hoes. That's something that I learned in the pound. So how the fuck am I supposed to pay this hoe? Just the latest hoe. I know the pussy's mine. I'ma fuck a couple more times and then I'm through with it. There's nothing else to do with it. Pass it to the homie, now you hit it. Cause she ain't nothing but a bitch to me. And y'all know that bitches ain't shit to me. I gives a fuck. Why don't y'all pay attention? Approach it with a different proposition. I'm corrupt, oh, you'll never be my only one. Trick ass bitch. If you know
She was honest, loyal, sincere, dedicated, understanding. She was everything a man could ever want a woman to be. She was everything to me and she was my woman. I can remember the first time we met in New York City in Central Park. I was wearing a pair of white sneakers and a pair of white shorts, and I had a white t-shirt on with the inscription that read in the front of it, Earth, Wind, and Fire. You could not tell me that I was not good to go. Oh, we got married. 2 days later we got married and everything was cool for about 4 years. And that's when the other voices came into the picture. You know what I'm talking about when I say the other voices? You know, Mary said that Roy was running around with Harriet and Beverly and it got back to the home front. And me and my old lady started going through a repetitious cycle of splitting up and coming back together and splitting up and coming back together until it just got ridiculous. You know what she said? She said, Roy? I said, yo. She said, Roy, if you don't stop playing that music, running all over the country like you're crazy or something, I'm gonna leave you. I could not believe my ears, so I went outside and took a walk around the block. I came back in the house, and I walked up to her, I said, come again. She said, if you don't stop playing that music, running all over the country like you're crazy or something, I'm gonna leave you. You know what I told her? Bye. Now, I don't wanna sound cold, I don't wanna sound hard, but you know, a man can only take so much. And that was too much for me. Let me go back. Let me just forget about that negative thing. Let's go back to the positive. Remember when we were in the park? We had a blanket and we were laying there in the park. I'm gonna tell you the first words I whispered in her ear. I pulled her close to me and I said these words to her. Check this out. Let me kiss you on your poo poo la la. Ooh, baby, you've got to let me kiss you, kiss you. Let me squeeze you on your deodata. Ooh, baby, you've got to let me kiss you, kiss you. And I squeezed you real tight and I said, Jack and Jill ran up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jill said, just don't break your poo-poo liner. Oh yeah. Anyway, 4 years passed, and there I am sitting in my RA-NYC-BAPT, Roy Ayers, New York City, bachelor apartment, doing my thing, minding my own business. As a matter of fact, I was looking at the television, and the telephone rang. At that time, I had incorporated into my voice pattern what I call my Barry White approach. And I picked up the phone and I said, hello. There was no answer. I said it once again, hello. And this voice came on the phone. It sounded just like this.
Time went by and we both learned.
spit, but it's running away, away. Hold it to my heart, it to my chest, got me hurting my brain, my brain. Say it's obvious that I don't need your love and mine. Gotta say what you say is wrong, and I need you around. And I watch you walk for a minute. When did you get so sensitive? Now but you are, baby, please. Why did you go and turn it down? Yeah, everything you want is everything I need. So why you walk away? This love is like a dream, but baby, turn around. You had me from the start. I'm losing all control. So go and break my heart. So good. Took a couple months to get upset. Been avoiding the pain.